Hi, my name is Ryan. I'm buy this in the Mr. Toy. This is DIY crystal glue. Ocean apa? Series. Wow. This I want to do this and this. So good. Do you want to see? Wow. Oopsie. We mix this A and B. Like this. This is crystal. I want to open this. I like this portion. How to open this? But I want to open.
What color is that?
It's a pink.
Okay.
Then put inside. Wow, so glitter. Like a. I love this color. I'm done. Then use a stick. Then mix.
What shape you have? See? Can I
We
see?
got starfish and seahorse and jellyfish and dolphin and whale and fish. Then we put this like this. This is a glitter. We want to take the heart. Wow.
What shape is that?
Wow, I want to put here. Wow, it's very nice. I love a baby. Love. Wait, you go inside.
You're going to put the fruit?
And I want to take the fruits, your flavored colors. Wow! What is so good at you? So black. So good. So like this. One like this. One like fruits. Inside the waste. Wait until dry. Look this.
Wow. See? The color is good.
Yes.
It's already hard.
Yes.
Can you show?
What happened to this?
Can you show?
Look this. What is? I got this. Look. Oopsie. I'm sorry. Look.
That's it.
That's it. We already do this yesterday. Wow, look this. It's like a squishy bun. Like a squishy. Let go, let go, let go. Like. Bye. See you later. Let's do more. Bye. See you. See you. More we do. Bye.